Welcome, my name is Dan Vega, and I'll be one of your instructors for this course. I'm really excited about teaching this course because it combines two of my favorite technologies out there. First, you have Angular. I was never a huge Angular 1x fan. I just didn't feel comfortable to me as a Java developer, and I don't know, it just seemed like a lot of copy and pasting stuff and then changing code. Whereas Angular 2 and now Angular 4, I just feel more comfortable. It's more familiar to me as a Java developer. And, being able to create types with TypeScript, which is a wonderful language, it just feels, like I said, more comfortable to me as a Java developer. And I really like the component model of how Angular works. And I just think it's a really great framework, and I love working in it. And then on the Java end, I've been using Spring Boot for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. I wouldn't, it's one of my go-tos to build out applications quickly. So because of those two technologies, this is really a course that I'm excited to teach. So I can't wait to get through this course. So a little bit about me. I live in Cleveland, Ohio. I just got married this year in 2017 to the most beautiful girl in the whole world, and I couldn't be happier about that. A real passion of mine has always been teaching and helping others understand technology. I kind of connect the dots back to when I got started in tech, and I've always been somebody who likes to help others. So I've been blogging for a while. I have a YouTube channel, and I love teaching and creating courses online. Again, I'm from Cleveland. I love it here. When you see John's introduction, he was from Toledo and he migrated down to Florida for warmer weathers. But as much as I love the summer, the winters don't bother me as much as they do as everybody else. So that's just a little bit about me. I'm excited for you guys to go through this course, and I just can't wait to see what you guys think of it. So with that, let's get going.